Say hi guys, welcome back. Say hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, we're gonna be cleaning my sister's room. Oh, if we don't get too sleepy, we'll clean it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back for another YouTube video. I've got a little special guest, as we can see. This is Harley. Everybody say hello. He has decided to join us for the intro of today's video. As you guys have seen from the title, I am actually going to be filming a clean with me. Now, this is probably going to turn into a bit of a series. I'm going to start off with this room, which is my bedroom. This is interesting. I'm going to show you guys a clip of the room before, and obviously at the end I will show you guys an after clip. But in the middle, I'm going to kind of like speed it up, do a bit of a voiceover, chat about some of my favourite things I like to do if I'm cleaning my room, what have you, all of that kind of stuff. I know these videos are quite popular. I have got my inspo totally from my best friend Emily Philpott. She does a lot of these videos and they are like her little thing. She's great at them, so I will be sure to drop her YouTube channel below, as well as some of my favourite clean with me's that she does. Now I have this bedroom, which is where I'm going to begin with today's clean with me, but I do also have my wardrobe space, my wardrobe area, and I want to do a whole separate video on that. I'd love to hear if you guys would be interested in it. I have so many things that I need to organise for the charity shop and also for my Depop. So please let me know in the comments if you would like to see another clean with me, just a different room. But today we are tackling the bedroom. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please go down there, hit subscribe, turn the bell on if you want to be notified. And also, I would love it if you could check me out on Instagram. My name is Georgiamay_XOXO. And me and this one are going to get cleaning. Let's do a little before of this room. So I'm ashamed to say this is the current state of this room. Yeah guys, it is bad. I'm really embarrassed that I'm showing you guys this. I've just got back from holiday. I've got 2 suitcases down here with stuff. I've let things go a little bit, and this is obviously one of my fave rooms. It's my bedroom and I love it in here, and I love like how it's been decorated, and I feel sad that it's looking so horrendous. So I really do apologise to anyone out there that this offends me, don't worry, but we are going to sort it out. This is obviously the chest of drawer area. It's overflowing. The bed needs to be made. I've got to unpack these 2 suitcases. We need to hoover the carpet, clean all of the sideboards, put everything away. Yeah, that's all PR products down there. Like, all of that is PR. So I need to find a little home for all of that stuff, give it away. And yeah, essentially we kind of need to just crack on. Okay guys, so the first thing I like to do is make my bed. This gives me a little bit of a base to work off, and then I can put everything from the floor on the bed whilst I'm hoovering. This bed has amazing under the bed storage, so I put all of my summer clothes in there for the winter and vice versa. Now I'm just going to go through all of the PR that I've been sent over the last few weeks and organise it. As you guys can see, there is a lot of packaging that comes with these PR boxes, and I was also watching Married at First Sight, so yeah, I'm going to crack on and do that. Now it's time to tackle all of the stuff. So I needed to unpack my 2 suitcases from the States, put all of those clothes away, wash all of the dirty ones, all of that good stuff. So this is pretty boring, so I'm just going to speed it up for you guys. It's not for me to say. Hi guys, so the last little clip that you saw was obviously me kind of decluttering and getting rid of the general stuff in my room. Now, as you can see, this is a new day. So it did take pretty much the whole day yesterday to just kind of get everything up off the floor, put it in a place, find a home for everything, and now I've pretty much cleared the area as best I could, which means I can go in and hoover, clean, use my wipes, my feather duster, all of that good stuff. This is not like a deep clean, like I'm not who has decided to start doing DIY work in their garden? Let's just shut this. Sorry about that. So yeah, it's not like a deep clean. So this is kind of a crossover between a declutter and a tidy with me, but hopefully you'll like it nonetheless. I'm going to start out by going over all of the surfaces and all of the areas like the radiator and just like any areas that I kind of touch quite frequently. with these Dettol surface wipes. I know they're not the best because you do throw them away and that's not obviously ideal, but I seem to have actually run out of our, like, not the surface spray, but like the glass cleaner and like what I would typically use, which is really annoying. So this is gonna just have to make do for now, but I know that these are not ideal. I've just got my little feather duster, and then I've obviously got my hoover over there, and that's how I'm going to kind of like just make everything look spotless. I will obviously kind of pan and show you guys the room now, and then I will show you guys what the room looks like when we have completely finished tidying it, and we are done. And then I have about 500 other things that I need to organise and sort out. Drawers, I've got my like dressing room, my wardrobes. You guys got a lot to do, but I'm going to show you what the room looks like right now, since we had a little bit of a clean yesterday. Okay, so when you walk into the room, this is what it's looking like. So there is the hoover there, which I'm about to use in a moment. This is this kind of worktop area. Ideally, I would obviously like to put a lot more of this sort of stuff away, but I need to find a home for it. And until I go through all of these drawers and organise it, I don't have a little home for all of this stuff. But I will do in due course, because I'd rather just have like my handbag out and like my box and stuff like that. Same with this sort of area. I need to kind of put some of these candles in a little home and organise them, and I'm planning on doing that this week, but I need to go through this chest of drawers, which is not ideal. I'll link this below, by the way, if anyone's interested. I've got my Desenio prints up here. One's missing. Don't ask, it's coming back this week. So these are obviously the chest of drawers that I was talking about. Now, I got these quite a while ago, and I am going to link them below if I can. I had one issue with one set that arrived. It was actually broken, which was kind of annoying. And then I've also got a bit of an issue with the second drawer on the other side. It doesn't open properly, but that's a conversation for another day. Then I have these lamps. This is from BHS, this lamp shade, this lamp base, but I'll try and link something similar. The shade is just from like HomeSense. No, it wasn't even HomeSense. It was like Dunelm or something. My little lights. This is my bed, so what I've done is I've tucked this down the side because I just prefer how that looks. Some people are going to be like, this is mess. Yes, it is mess, but it's clothing for a video that I'm literally about to film, so I need to try all of these pieces on. So that's why that's out. Here I am, everyone. Hello. Then we have this little area down here, which obviously all needs to be hoovered and stuff, and this kind of work surface area. But it's definitely 10 times cleaner than it was yesterday. As you guys can see, I have got a lot of recycling out there, which I need to take to be kind of removed. But this is the room, so it's a lot better. Okay, so then here we have the after. So much tidier and a lot cleaner than it was before. This could do with a little bit of an iron, to be honest with you, but we're not gonna go wild in here. This is just a nice little tidy up, clean up, because honestly this room was crazy, as you guys saw from earlier. Everything is looking a lot better. I'll show you guys what I've got in this on this side. I've got my diary, and then my actual diary that I write in most nights, a little Polaroid camera, and this candle that I am in love with. This is from Desenio. I've been obsessed with this candle. This is in the scent Rose Lemonade. It's just a really nice spring scent. Some photos of my family. This mirror that I get asked about, which I think is from HomeSense, but it's quite old now. I'll try and link something similar below. Need a photo frame in here. I just never print a photo big enough, so I need to get a photo for that frame. Just my like necessities, and then another diary that I tend to write in, and a to-do list. I love a list. This, like I said, is everything I need to try on. I got this little ottoman, the same place I got the bed, so I will link that below for reference. Then in this little corner, this is lopsided, and it was, I hung this up with those what are they called? Not Compede. Those like sticker things, and it's sloping, so I really need to adjust that because that's not straight and it's really bothering me. Then I have my little candles and stuff, handbag, then this chest of drawers, which really needs to be organised. So yes, that is my room. I'm pretty happy with it. So I hope you guys did all enjoy this super quick and fun tidy slash clean with me. It was definitely more of like a declutter than like an actual deep clean, which I didn't expect it to kind of go that way, but I hope you enjoyed it nevertheless. Please let me know if this is something you want me to continue doing. I have so many spaces in my house and in my like bedroom area and my wardrobe area that I really need to kind of organize and sort out, so I'm happy to make this kind of a bit more of a series, because obviously we can't go anywhere right now, so I may as well be productive within my home. Thank you all so much for watching. If you've got any tips or recommendations, feel free to let me know in the comment section below. Oh my goodness, I need to put a light bulb in that light. I've just realised. Sorry to anyone that's really bothering. I'm going to go and do that right now. Love you guys so much. I hope you're enjoying my uploads and regular content. I'm trying to upload as much as I can right now, because why on earth not? And don't forget to hit subscribe if you're not subscribed already to this channel. Love you guys. Speak to you soon, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.